The future of urban gardening. How to grow your own food anywhere in 2025. In 2025, urban gardening is no longer a niche hobby but a global movement. As cities become more crowded, people are turning every available space, balconies, rooftops, and even indoor shelves into mini vegetable gardens. This surge is fueled by rising food prices, environmental awareness, and the simple joy of harvesting fresh produce at home. Innovations like compact hydroponic systems and vertical gardens have made it easier than ever to grow lettuce, tomatoes, and herbs in tight urban quarters, transforming cityscapes into vibrant, edible landscapes. One of the most exciting trends this year is the rise of AI-powered smart gardens. These systems use sensors and machine learning to monitor plant health, adjust watering schedules, and even suggest optimal planting times. Gardeners receive real-time updates via smartphone apps, allowing them to nurture their crops with precision. The result? Higher yields with less effort, making homegrown vegetables a realistic option even for those with the busiest schedules. In addition to tech advancements, 2025 sees a renewed interest in heirloom and native plant varieties. Gardeners are increasingly choosing seeds that support biodiversity and are adapted to local climates. This not only helps in preserving rare plant species, but also ensures stronger, more resilient crops. Community seed swaps and online marketplaces have flourished, allowing gardeners to exchange unique seeds and share knowledge across regions. Looking ahead, experts predict that urban gardening will continue to evolve, integrating more with public spaces. Parks, public buildings, and even bus stops are being transformed into community gardens, blurring the line between urban infrastructure and green space. These initiatives not only beautify cities but also foster a deeper connection between people and the food they eat, encouraging healthier, more sustainable lifestyles for everyone.